के अंदर नहीं आते हैं, अगेंस्ट अपोनेंट टीम को बैक ओवर देंगे, आपको बाहर कर देंगे।
There's a warning from the coach. The team requested, please report on the court 1. And there we begin with the first raid from Open Minds. Open Minds have scored a point. A successful raid by Open Minds, and now the Gyan Niketan Raider on the raid in the court of Open Minds. Let's see whether he is tackled or he scores. He appeals for a point, and he appeals for a point, and he again appeals for a point. Now, bonus.
The Raider from Open Minds into the court of Gyan Niketan. Open Minds, team A.
A swift display of game here.
Making use of his legs. Long legs.
Another bonus point. They have to touch that line to qualify their raid, and they get the bonus for that. The Raider of Gyan Niketan on the raid in the court of Open Minds of Birla School.
Open Minds. And single one for Gyan Niketan. Bonus for Gyan Niketan. Here. Open Minds. Tall boy. 14. Jersey number 13. Into the court of Gyan Niketan. Raiding. Very well supported. Very well supported.
Beautifully supported by the team, yes.
हेलो, ऑफिशियल ग्राउंड नंबर 2, ऑफिशियल्स ग्राउंड नंबर 2, आप अपनी सिस्टम को शुरू करें। अगर नहीं आता सीधा मैच को स्टार्ट कर दें। एक और बता दो, अभी लिस्ट एशियन अगर आना चाहते तो आइए, नहीं तो आप मैच हम अपना जो भी हमारा शेड्यूल है, जो सिस्टम है, उस सिस्टम में जाकर आपको मैच को रन कर देंगे, अपोनेंट टीम को विन करेंगे।
A super raid by Open Minds. Let's do it. There you go, Josh.
5 Open Minds. Point. It's 5 for Open Minds and Gyan Niketan on 4.
Really here.
Supported by the Open Minds. They could not reach the middle line. Only a
Medical
point
team.
for their team.
Medical team, you are requested here.
Medical team, you are requested here. Malava.
Medical team, you are requested on the ground. There is a small injury. On the raid, the player of No, he is tackled. He is being tackled. The raider is out of the court.
For Gyan Niketan and 1 for Open Minds.
7 points for Open Minds and 5 points for Gyan Niketan.
Yes, the Raider from Gyan Niketan. Jersey number 12. Into the court of Open Minds.
Both the teams full of josh and energy here. But yes, there are 3 players left with the Gyan Niketan.
I guess the injury is deep. He's been bandaged. But the medical expert already is there.
He is in the safe hand. ऐसे बड़े बड़े खेल में छोटी छोटी चोट लगती रहती हैं। इन खिलाड़ियों को
आदित्य सर प्लीज कम ऑन टेक्निकल टेबल। आदित्य सर प्लीज कम ऑन टेक्निकल टेबल।
Gyan Niketan on the raid into the court of Open Minds. Gyan Niketan trying hard to win a point for his team.
Second semi-final in girls section is the first call. Indrapuram and Open Minds. Please, both team, please get your teams ready.
Indrapuram and Open Minds girls team, please report to ground 1 for the semi-final. Indrapuram girls team and Open Minds Birla School team, kindly report to court 1 as soon as possible.
The Asian team did not turn up at the Kerala 20 International is considered to qualify to the finals.
That gets, by default.
There was a constant call for the lead Asian girls team and they failed to appear at the right time. Open minds, jersey number 13. This
Get! बढ़िया भागेश भैया
He's trying hard. He's trying hard to go.
But no, look at the boy. Jersey number
This
10.
is the spirit. Can we have a clap for the Gyani Ketan? He's back on his goal.
Very into the
Chal Ratek!
open minds. The boy with the advantage, still all set to go. To win a point for his team.
यही खूबसूरती होती है खिलाड़ियों की, नो मैटर चोट क्यों न लग जाए, लेकिन वो अपनी टीम के लिए वापस से ग्राउंड पे हाथ पकड़े हुए अपने पार्टनर का ज्ञान निकेतन का प्लेयर फ्रॉम द ओपन माइंड्स, he could score. Let's see, is the runner out or he is scoring a point?
Jersey number 40, the raider from open minds. Tall boy trying to win a score. Jersey number 10, the boy who's been just injured.
ज्ञान निकेतन back on
The
break.
atmosphere.
Oh, he could be tackled. And I think he should rest. I think he should
कोई ना
rest.
रितेक कोई ना
I think he should rest.
Truly, sir, he needs
It's a
rest.
head injury. यही तो बात होती है खिलाड़ियों की, चोट लगने के बाद भी अपनी टीम को छोड़ते नहीं. The Raider, absolutely, I agree with you, the captain of Open Minds.
स्कोर 8-8
For the team on equal score, the Raider of Gyan Niketan on the raid,
Into the court of open minds, the raider from Gyaniketan.
and I think the Raider will be tackled, or is he going to score? He's The Raider is out. Raider out. 1 point for Open Minds of Kerala School.
चल सूरज
Jersey number 20.
Another small injury here.
Third itself,
I
as two winners.
two players left in Gyan Niketan. काफी मुश्किल होता है लेकिन दो प्लेयर्स में किसी को आउट करने के लिए, but yes, smartly you can score point.
Jersey number
The Raider of Gyan Niketan on the rail. Yes! Beautifully tackled by the players of Open Minds of Kerala School.
very well supported by the team.
Another point for Open Minds of Kerala School.
Last and final call in girls section, second semi-final match. Indrapura versus Open One. Both team managers can send your team support number 2.
The last and the final call for the
Open Minds, you can do it! Parade!
It was a 1-1 battle. A 1-1 battle.
बढ़िया भागेश
अपनी टीम को रिवाइव करते हुए अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया ज्ञान निकेतन के प्लेयर ने. Now Gyan Niketan on the raid.
And here, jersey number 12, on the back to the court.
Open Minds के 6 खिलाड़ी.
There is a last and final call for the semi-finals in the girls' court. Open minds and the other team for the semi-finals. Indrapuram. It is Indrapuram.
The grounds of Open Minds of Kerala School.
Into the second half, 20 points.
10 मिनट
Point number 1.
Yeah,
Gyan
that's
Niketan,
right.
the last raider. The last raider into the court of Open minds.
And we have the match started between the teams of
Great man. Yes. Successful raider.
बोनस भैया
Scored a point.
अच्छा ठीक है अच्छा है भागेश
Now we see
बहुत ही रोमांचक मैच
मार
Very well supported. Very accurate.
मैच का रेट करिए इसको करना पानी करना जूता देना यार इसका दे यार अब तो उतरेगा
On court 2 as well, we have the great motivation and the presence of Chandni ma'am with the girls of Indrapuram as well as with the girls of Open Mind.
Yes, absolutely, sir. And the team is really excited to have their role model here with them, right in front of them, blessing them.
The referees in court number 1, Kabaddi court number 1, having a talk with each other. Scores here, Gyani Ketan on 13, and Open Minds on 10, and Open Minds on 10. The Raider from Open Minds into the court of Gyani Ketan.
We are also very happy and pleased to have Arjun Kumar sir with us. And
Jersey number 3, Gyani Ketan. In the
Shivraj,
court,
bring one more chair.
in the court of Open Minds. The boy strike, no, he's reached back. A very successful
This is
अरे यार।
going to be really exciting because in your court there the boys are fighting for their semi-final winning, and here in court 1 we have another match. So it's really going to be a tough time for us anchoring this game right now.
Truly, sir, they are not fighting in semi-finals. They are fighting for the place in the finals. Advocated all set to raid into the court of Open Minds. Jersey number 3,
Indrapuram girls on the raid.
a tall boy, has spread both his arms.
She's trying hard to score.
He's not chanting. He's supposed to chant only kabaddi, nothing else.
1 point to Open Minds girls school.
Here, Pure Minds.
जाएगा
Jersey number 32, in the court of Gyani Ketan, trying to win a point for his team.
And on the raid, Open Minds. The raider is out.
सर
Gyani Ketan, jersey number 3, once again.
जाएगा तो
He's the last fight referee.
ना, अभी जा।
Chant only kabaddi, nothing else.
Indrapuram 2 points, Open Minds. Let's hear you all cheering up for your team. Yes, it could be. But no, very well played by the player of Indrapuram girls. On the raid now.
Jersey number 32, oh my, on the ring, trying to win the point. Oh, Point for the Gyani Ketans.
The raider. First time out.
Jersey number 3, once again, reigning. Some strategies being made by jersey number 3, timeout. Into the court of Gyani Ketan.
All out का खतरा. Number 4. Keep calm. Be post. घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है. अभी भी आपके पास रेड का मौका है. आप अपने एक प्लेयर को रिवाइव कर सकते हैं. You can, and you have to bring a player of yours back to the court. Yeah. Yes. Come back. Yes. There you go. 2 teams. One person in the court area. 2 teams back. 2 players back in the court.
It is all out for all minds. So there's 3 points won by Gyani Ketan. 3 points won by Gyani Ketan.
सर
The scores are Gyani Ketan final. All minds need to come back in the game. Again, they have to survive.
सर सर 6 मिनट बाकी है.
The Raider of Open Minds.
Yes, very well. And it's back. A successful raid by Omites. Successful raid. Again, jersey number 3, Yanni Keaton. He's been coming time and out here into the court of Omites.
Open Minds girls. Number 4. Yes, she has to revive her team. She can. Yes, she got a player back.
जर्सी नंबर 3 कुछ बोलते रहते हैं अपने टीममेट्स को, कोर्ट में रहते हैं ओमाइट्स के और ज्ञान केतन की टीम अपने टीम को कुछ बताते रहते हैं. Some strategy which we are not able to understand.
ए चल
Omites, yeah,
चल चल.
his leg. जर्सी नंबर 46 परस्यू कर रहे हैं, पूरे बुला रहे हैं, आराम से अंदर आओ, हम तुम्हें खींच लेंगे, लेकिन नहीं, he's back in his court. Again, jersey number 3, बार ओमाइट्स के कोर्ट में ज्ञानी केतन की जर्सी नंबर 3 पहुंच जा रहे हैं.
नहीं पहुंच सकते. बादल
एक बार फिर jersey number 3 in the court of Omites. He's Badal.
आराम से अंदर अंदर.
Another point to Gyani Ketan. The boys need to buck up.
Come on, girls.
इस बादल को घेरना बहुत जरूरी है ओमाइट्स.
Let's see what the Raider from Indrapur girls.
You have to survive in the game. You need to get rid of this. Jersey number 46. Good strike कर रहे हैं. Yes.
एक मिनट
There is a bonus plus point for Omites. Again, jersey number 3, यानी केतन के बादल फिर से एक बार ओमाइट्स के कोर्ट में बार यहाँ पे पहुंच जा रहे हैं. बिल्कुल stay composed. Nothing is impossible in the game of kabaddi. बहुत आराम से खेलिए, ध्यान से खेलिए. Intelligent move. देखिए. बादल
Indrapuram girls and Open Minds showcasing their talent.
46 jersey number back. Again, yeah.
टच है यार क्या. ए 7 टच है. अरे चल
Last
बादल.
Open Minds.
चल सही है.
जर्सी नंबर 51 उन्होंने व्यक्तिगत का सम्मान किया, रिस्पेक्ट किया. जर्सी नंबर 46
चल प्रेशर बना साइड से.
got a point for his team.
हाँ
The Raider from Open Minds.
चल मोए ठीक.
A bonus point for the Omites.
अरे 14 टच हो गया यार.
जर्सी नंबर 3 यानी केतन के into the court of Omites. क्या हो रहा है? बार हर बार ही पहुंच जा रहे हैं.
Yes, she has been better. The girl of Indrapuram.
और कुछ बोल भी रहे हैं अपने प्लेयर को. विश्वास किया जा रहा है यहाँ पर. 4 minutes to go. Last 4 minutes to go. Buck up.
बहुत सुंदर. यही है.
The Raider from the Open Minds girls on the raid, and there is a chance of all out for the player talk. Yes, he won it, but a good support.
अरे बाक ले रहा है. बाक ऑफ कर रहा है.
The scores.
Yes, all out. Indrapuram.
The Raider from Open Minds. Last 3 minutes left.
चल कोई बात है भैया कोई नहीं मोहित कोई नहीं अरे यार अरे संदीप यार मारता ना
Let's get you all open minds. Changing up. The Raider is out.
ए यार लोना
The
नहीं
Raider is out from now on. Back in the game.
बहुत सुंदर नेक्स्ट
Score करने के लिए time है.
कौन मारे अभी
Power act में भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. Yes, there he is. 2 points.
अरे यार काहे दे
2
रहा है
points in the court of Open Minds of Birla's goal and
2 पॉइंट चल बढ़िया क्या बात है ए सर पप्पू पप्पू पप्पू
you still have a chance to get back in the game. 1 bonus point. It's just a small difference of 8 points. This can be. अगर इन्होंने एक सुपर हिट कर लिया
आजा सर
वापस
कहाँ है
से
बात
खेलने आ सकते हैं। एक सुपर हिट की जरूरत यहाँ पे from the players of Open Minds of Birla's goal. Come on boys, let's do it.
Last 1 minute 60 seconds to go.
2 raiders की चांस टाइम को वेस्ट करते हुए एक सुपर हिट
मार तेरी क्या
ध्यान देने वाले बिल्कुल ठान लिए हैं कि नहीं स्कोर पर जाने नहीं देना है आखिरी के शायद 2 और रेयर मैक्सिमम रेड हो सकते हैं
बिल्कुल ठान लिया है कि नहीं जाने देना है
ज्ञान देने वाले अपने टाइम को पूरी तरह से वेस्ट करेंगे
कुछ जरूरत करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है यू डोंट हैव
एब्सोल्युटली मैम
अरे एक से ज्यादा सुन एगो सरेंडर कर दे छोड़न
ऑन द रेड ओपन माइंड Birla's goal
बागे से पीछे होइए ना
यस
अरे यार
2 points this is what we are talking बढ़िया आई थिंक शायद ये आखिरी रेड हो सकता है और आखिरी रेड में उन्होंने 1 पॉइंट दे दिया